Welcome back to my channel Technology in the Future. The drone market is once again in the spotlight, and this time it's because of one of the most exciting leaks of 2025. The highly awaited DJI Mini 5 Pro has surfaced online, and instead of a vague rumor, we are seeing what looks like real photos of its retail box. These images are already circulating across social media, fueling endless discussions among drone enthusiasts, professionals, and content creators. The packaging looks official, detailed, and surprisingly consistent with previous leaks from trusted insiders. What makes this leak particularly thrilling is the fact that DJI usually follows a pattern. Retail box sightings often appear shortly before the company unveils the official product. If this tradition holds true, the Mini 5 Pro might be officially announced in just a few weeks. And if these details are real, this drone is set to redefine what a compact UAV can do. From the outside, the box design follows DJI's sleek, premium style, but what really grabs attention is the listing of features and bundles. The leaked packaging clearly shows the DJI Mini 5 Pro paired with the DJI RC2 controller. Unlike older mini drones, this controller has a built-in display, removing the need to attach your smartphone for every flight. For pilots, this means quicker setups, smoother responsiveness, and a professional flying experience right out of the box. Another detail on the package highlights a Fly More Combo Plus option. Traditionally, DJI's combos include multiple batteries, a charging hub, and extra propellers. But this leak suggests something even more ambitious. A line that reads 52 minutes x 3. If accurate, each battery could deliver up to 52 minutes of flight time, and with 3 included, users might enjoy more than 2.5 hours in the air. That's revolutionary for a drone weighing under 249 kg. For content creators, this extended flight duration opens new possibilities. Long cinematic sequences, uninterrupted travel vlogs, or detailed real estate tours become much easier. Casual hobbyists benefit from fewer landing interruptions, while professional drone operators can maximize efficiency during critical shoots. Compared to the Mini 4 Pro's 34-45 minutes of flight, this is a massive leap forward that cements DJI's dominance in the sub-250G category. The Mini series has always been popular because of its regulatory advantages. Staying below the 249 grain threshold means in many countries you can fly without complicated registrations. This makes the Mini 5 Pro attractive not only to experienced pilots, but also to beginners who want a simple, travel-friendly drone without extra paperwork. One of the biggest rumored improvements is advanced obstacle avoidance. The box hints at the use of LAR sensors designed for better low light and environmental detection. Unlike basic sensors that struggle in dim or complex environments, these enhanced sensors should allow the drone to fly confidently over water, snow, forests, or even foggy conditions. For beginners, this is a safeguard against crashes. For professionals, it adds reliability in challenging shooting environments. There are also hints of quality of life upgrades. The Mini 5 Pro may adopt a tap-and-twist propeller system, making blade replacements quick and screw-free, an excellent improvement for those constantly on the move. A new power button on the top suggests faster drone activation, which is perfect for capturing spontaneous moments without delay. But the most exciting rumor involves the camera system. Multiple sources indicate the Mini 5 Pro could feature a 1-inch sensor. This is a monumental improvement for the Mini series, which has typically featured smaller sensors. A larger sensor means sharper images, stronger low-light performance, more dynamic range, and professional quality footage. If paired with 4K video recording at 120 FPS, creators would gain access to smooth, slow-motion shots, ideal for cinematic, storytelling, sports, and social media reels. The gimbal design is also said to allow 225 degrees of rotation, providing creators with more flexibility for both landscape and vertical shots. This is especially relevant for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, where vertical video dominates. Instead of cropping footage, users can shoot in the desired orientation from the start. When it comes to accessories, leaked details suggest pricing similar to DJI's past models. Extra batteries, ND filters, propeller guards, and a two-way charging hub are all expected. The Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, at a rumored $99, could be the standout accessory, offering creators a cost-effective way to maximize flight time. DJI Care Refresh will also likely be available, giving pilots peace of mind with replacement coverage. As for the launch timeline, sources point to mid-September 2025, possibly September 16th. This timing fits DJI's history of announcing products in the fall to align with the holiday season. If correct, it means an official reveal is just around the corner, with pre-orders and shipping likely following soon after. In summary, the DJI Mini 5 Pro looks like it could become one of the most influential drones ever released. By combining professional-level features with an ultra-lightweight frame, DJI is blurring the lines between compact drones and high-end UAVs, with rumored highlights including up to 52 minutes of flight per battery 1-inch image sensor with 4K, 120 FPS recording, advanced LAR obstacle avoidance sensors, RC2 controller with built-in screen under 249 GE classification, redesigned propeller system, and quick power button. It's clear that this drone could set a new benchmark for the industry. For adventurers, filmmakers, real estate agents, travelers, and social media creators, the Mini 5 Pro may well become the go-to drone of 2025. The only thing left is the official confirmation from DJI, but if these leaks are genuine, the wait won't be long. The future of compact drones is about to take flight, and the DJI Mini 5 Pro might just lead the way.